Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We are going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The EU and the UK have pleased market participants by finally striking a post-Brexit trade deal. The pound has reacted to the news with a sharp rise, while the euro is trading without any significant changes. A successful solution of the trade deal issue, which has been on hold for many years, will definitely boost risk appetite. In the medium term, we expect to see an improvement in risk sentiment and a surge in the euro-dollar pair quotes. Let's talk about the prospects of the major currency pairs with our technical analysis expert Peter Yakimovic. Hi Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that there is a very interesting formation on the weekly time frame, and basically we got rejection on the five simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and basically the trend is pretty bullish on this currency pair. But because of the holidays and because of Christmas that we got, it's expected that we will have a lower volatility and lower liquidity on the market. So maybe we can enter in some kind of the trading range environment. But overall, I expect still upcycle to continue on the euro dollar, and probably the level at the 1.2400 can be the level to watch on the euro dollar. I also see that there is we got a rising highs or higher highs and higher lows on the weekly time frame, which is a pretty good sign that mid-term and short-term money is still bullish. But again, we might see some kind of side-basing market due to the holidays, and then for the next year we might expect that we might see the continuation of this upside cycle. So my expectation is still for the further upside, and I see no signs of the bigger reversal yet. So buyers can still continue buying the dips on this currency pair.
Will the pound hold at the current highs?
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is a very, very big pattern that I found on the weekly time frame. Actually, this pattern is called broadening bottom, and we are breaking the key and important pivot on this currency pair at the 1.3500. But I see that there is plenty of potential for the upside. Watching the weekly time frame again, this pattern is a broadening bottom formation, which took weeks to develop, and basically we're finally breaking that now at the end of the year. So I expect also the whole next year to be more in the mode of the upside cycle. So I can see easily pound to test 1.4300 level and continue with this strong upside breakout. So my expectation is really for the further upside, because the breakout is very big, a broadening bottom formation on the weekly time frame on the British pound versus US dollar. So watch carefully for eventual buying the dips strategies under this condition, and we'll find out how we will reveal this pattern week by week and see if this pattern is still holding or not.
It is worth noting that gold was one of the best performing assets this year. Do you think it will continue to rise?
On the gold, basically what I found is that gold, from my perspective, actually completed a double zigzag formation. Basically, this is something that we call for more extended correction. I think that gold is overall in the long-term upcycle, and that all of this type of the ABCs and double zigzag formations that we got is just a part of the correction. So I still expect gold to trade higher and probably go towards 1,960, maybe even 2,050. So my expectation is for the further upside. Obviously, we'll need some more power on the upside to confirm even this recontinuation from the longer time frames, but I still see potential for that completion, and my expectation is for the further upside. So watching and buying on the dips, buying on the upside breaks will prefer a strategy under the current condition.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading analysis, and we'll see you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.